Hello everybody, welcome to Filmmaking. Today, Dulabic here. So, are you interested in more accessories for your DJI Osmo Pocket Camera? Stay tuned. The first on the list is the MPOW selfie stick. This is an awesome little device that will help you to achieve all kinds of interesting shots, whether it's to help you with vlogging or to achieve cinematic shots. If you'd like to see a full review on the MPOW selfie stick, check out my video. Link will be in the description. If you would like to mount your cell phone to the selfie stick, you will need these accessories right here, which will allow you to mount the cell phone at the end of the stick and will make it a lot easier to get some really creative shots. If you would like to mount your pocket camera using a GoPro accessory, you will need this kit right here. In order to attach it to the pocket camera, it goes where the phone adapter usually goes, and it also provides you with a cold shoe mount. And once it's attached to the pocket camera, it allows you to use all kinds of GoPro accessories. The next thing on the list is DJI's wireless dongle. This is definitely a must-have, especially if you want to use the pocket camera with a selfie stick. The dongle does provide you with a USB Type-C connector, so you can still charge the camera while using it. Since the Wi-Fi dongle cannot be mounted to a tripod, you will have to buy this Wi-Fi base by Ulanzi. It simply attaches to the Wi-Fi dongle by sliding it in, and it also provides you with a cold shoe mount on one side. At the bottom you will see a hole that allows you to attach your pocket camera to any standard tripod. If all you want to be able to do is attach your pocket camera to a tripod, you should go with this charger base by Ulanzi. It has two USB Type-C ports, one on each side, and a hole at the bottom so you can attach it to a tripod. If you're looking for something simple to protect your pocket camera, you should go with this Gimbal Protector by PGI Tech. It's a very simple device that protects the gimbal from each side. If you are looking for a better way to control that on-screen joystick using the app, you should look at these gaming sticks. They simply attach to the screen and give you a physical button when operating the gimbal. I have a full review video on one of them. If you'd like to see it, link will be in the description. If you're looking for an interesting way to do macro photography, the macro lens by Ulanzi is definitely your best bet so far. It simply attaches to the Osmo Pocket Camera, and it still allows you to turn on the camera with the lens attached. And with it you can get some pretty cool and interesting extreme close-up shots. For a full review on the macro lens, check out my video. Link will be in the description. The must-have accessory for the Osmo Pocket Camera are ND filters. You simply have to have these. Because the camera has a fixed aperture, you really don't have a lot of leeway when it comes to video. The only way to reduce sunlight is by using ND filters. I recommend a package that will give you ND 4, 8, 16, 32, and 64. Trust me, you will not regret it. For more info on ND filters, check out my review video on the Pocket Camera where I go into more detail. As always, link will be in the description. Another must-have accessory is a power bank. I use this one by RevPower. It's a 10,000 milliamp and it always comes in handy. And last but not least is a case. In order to carry all of these accessories, you will need a case. I use this guy right here. It's the Smartree carrying case designed for the Osmo Pocket Camera, and it is amazing. It will allow you to basically put all of these things inside that I've mentioned in this video, minus one of the ND filter cases. But other than that, you can put everything inside. So that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. These are some of the accessories I definitely use almost on a daily basis. It just depends what it is. The Wi-Fi dongle I definitely use. The selfie stick I use on and off, but I use it quite a lot. I carry everything in that bag, that's for sure. I love that bag. So yeah, ND filters, absolutely, all that good stuff. So these are definitely not all the accessories you can use. There's tons more, and if there are some that you are more interested in, and if I haven't talked about them, just definitely let me know. Put it in the comment section. Maybe there's some accessories I don't know about that, you know, might be interesting for a video by itself. You know, whatever it is, definitely let me know. And yeah, that's it. I think all in all, the DJI Osmo Pocket Camera is a great camera by itself. However, with a few right accessories, it makes it even better. I mean, that's just, you know, just what it is. So That's it. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, hit that bell icon to be notified of future videos, and all that good stuff. Tell your friends, and stay tuned for more. Thanks.